All right, now that we've got our loaf of bread sliced and into our 13 by 9 here, I've just coming in with 6 eggs, and to the 6 eggs, I am going to add 2 cups of milk. I'm using whole milk or vitamin D. Perfect. Coming in with 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Ooh, I think that covered it. A little bit of ground up kosher salt. And I'm gonna just eyeball shake in about a teaspoon of vanilla, cinnamon, excuse me, cinnamon, that looks good. Alrighty, now we are going to beat this all together. Beat it, beat it. No one wants to beat it, beat it. Just beat it, just beat it, just beat it. Okay, this looks pretty good. So I would give it 1 chorus of Michael Jackson's Beat It, and that's how you know you've got it mixed well. Alrighty, let's get our bread back positioned. Now we toasted ours because ours wasn't yet stale, but if you've got stale bread, that works great too. Perfect. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells amazing. Doesn't it, Marty?
It sure does.
Sure does. Perfect. All right. Just make sure it's all touching down in here. Yummy, 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 yummy. Alrighty. Gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna cover this with my cling wrap here. Alrighty, I'm gonna leave this on the counter here for 30 minutes, or you could put it in your fridge for like 2 hours or even overnight. Alrighty, we have got 4 tablespoons of melted butter here. Now to this, I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, a little pinch of salt, and about 1/2 teaspoon of this ground cinnamon. And I am just gonna get this all whipped up, mixed. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks absolutely delicious. Yummy, 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 I got this in my tummy. I'm excited. This looks so good. Ah. Yes, I can't wait to eat that. All right, we're gonna bring back in our casserole dish here. We had it on the counter for about 30 minutes, just absorbing. Look at all this liquid has been absorbed, which is amazing. It's gonna have such a great flavor. And now we're gonna come in here with our brown sugar butter mixture and I'm kind of just getting this, all spread out on here. Oh, Marty, this is gonna be to die for. This is gonna be the best sweet, delicious breakfast we have ever had. I'm so excited to eat this. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, we are popping this in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Alrighty, everyone. This French toast casserole smells amazing. Now, I don't know about you, but I like powdered sugar on my French toast, so I'm just gonna come around and give this a little dusting, making it very festive. You could put some berries in here. You could put some chocolate chips before you bake it. Any of that would be delicious. And I'm gonna come in with some syrup. Now, I did buy the real fancy maple syrup that people are always telling me to get, but you know what? Dang it, it has to go in the fridge, and I didn't put it in the fridge afterwards, so I'm back to my pearl milling company. Look at how gorgeous this is. Alrighty, I cannot wait to get myself a hot serving of this. Ooh, yum. Yummy, oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that. All right, everyone, I'm coming in for the grand finale taste test here. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that's so good. Y'all, this is delicious. This is the best way to make French toast. You gotta try it.